Hey, it's Dr. Michael Winters, founder and developer of the Hidden model of health restoration. And Hidden is such a powerful way to communicate the importance of hormonal balance, immune strength, detoxification efficiency, and neurological connection. I wanted to share with you today just the importance of detoxification, particularly with iron. So I just gave blood. Right out here is the American Cross bloodmobile. And it's such a valuable thing to be able to do that for your health, because you're going to lower your storage iron. And in many cases, that gets too high for those of us that are male or postmenopausal females. And you can research a number of connections between ferritin, storage iron, elevated, and even beginning of Alzheimer's or other neurological conditions. And so just Google that and see the value of keeping your ferritin levels low. And so many of us guys, our ferritin levels can go up to 300, 400 or more if we're not careful. And that's going to oxidize cholesterol in our bloodstream, give us more risk of heart attacks. It's going to tie in, they're finding it in Alzheimer's patients in the hippocampus, the memory centers of the brain. So one of the best things you can do for detoxification is actually to give blood regularly. And so I want to remind you of that and share that thought with you and encourage you to give blood, because it saves other lives and it can help you have better quality of life longer, maintaining brain health, heart health, and more. So that's my tip for the day. Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined.